Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Sin. Sin means immoral act considered to be transgression against divine law. For example, a sin in the eyes of God. A sin in the eyes of God. Synonyms: immoral act, wrong, wrongdoing.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. People thought he was blasphemous because he forgave sins. Now, repeat after me. People thought he was blasphemous because he forgave sins. The second exempli. We have repented for the unbelief and our sins are blotted out. Now, repeat after me. We have repented for the unbelief and our sins are blotted out. The third exempli. Isaiah assures us that God blots out our transgressions and forgets our sin. Now, repeat after me. Isaiah assures us that God blots out our transgressions and forgets our sin.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The original name for butterfly was flutterbee.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.